Welcome to Juice. Today, we're going to make a tasty, healthful juice that can benefit those with high cholesterol and diabetes. We all know that maintaining a healthy diet is crucial for managing diabetes and keeping cholesterol levels in check. Fruits and vegetables are essential for providing vital nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, and fibers. Unlike animal products, they are also low in calories and do not contain cholesterol or saturated fats. Incorporating juices made with fresh fruits and vegetables into your diet can help protect against heart disease, cancer, and boost the immune system while promoting overall wellness. To maintain optimal health, the American Diabetes Association suggests consuming a variety of 3 to 5 fruits and vegetables every day. Carrots are a tasty treat. And they're also loaded with some amazing benefits. These vibrant orange vegetables are loaded with beta-carotene, a pigment that our bodies convert into vitamin A, which helps promote healthy skin and eyesight. Not only can carrots help lower cholesterol levels, but they can also aid in stabilizing blood sugar levels. Incorporating carrots into your diet is a smart choice as they are not only delicious but also nutritious. Whether used in soups, meals, or juices, carrots can help you maintain a healthy weight and support a robust immune system. To create a delicious and healthful juice, we'll start with 15 small, washed carrots and extract their juice using a juicer. The resulting taste is simply marvelous. And the added bonus is that our carrot juice is low in sugar but rich in nutrients essential to your overall health. Let's take a closer look at the amazing benefits of tomatoes. Not only are they a delicious fruit, but they are also an excellent source of essential vitamins such as C, E, and lycopene. Tomatoes should be incorporated frequently into our diets as studies have shown that they can alleviate diabetes by reducing active oxidative stress in type 2 diabetes. Moreover, they can also help reduce cholesterol levels, high blood pressure, and fight against various cancerous diseases while bolstering our immune system. If you're struggling with high cholesterol, tomatoes should be consumed more often, whether it be in salads or in this delicious juice that we are about to create. They are also a great source of potassium, fiber, protein, and magnesium. For this recipe, we'll use 2 tomatoes with no need to remove the skin, although you can if you prefer. We'll use all of the fibers that the tomatoes have to offer as they contain many essential vitamins and can help fight prostate cancer. Using a blender or food processor, or even just your hands, we'll combine all of these ingredients together for an incredibly tasty juice that will surely please your palate. Red bell pepper juice is a delicious way to add more vitamins and minerals to your diet. This delicious vegetable is known for its ability to combat inflammatory diseases, lower cholesterol, and fight cancerous diseases. With its low calorie count, this juice can also help with weight loss by reducing blood glucose levels thanks to its fiber and other beneficial ingredients. Additionally, the red bell pepper is rich in antioxidants, making it an excellent choice for overall health. Personally, I love to use red bell pepper in my cooking as it can help with managing diabetes and cholesterol levels. The chiltoma is a vegetable that's packed with nutrients, so it's a smart choice for optimal nutrition. Next up, we'll prepare it by removing the seeds, and then we'll add it to the blender along with 2 tomatoes. This delicious addition to our juice is packed with potential fiber, vitamins, and more. Okay, so now it's time to add the carrot juice to our mixture. And we won't be adding any water as we want to keep all the essential nutrients and flavors intact. We'll be blending the juice in small parts since our blender is on the smaller side. However, if you have a larger blender, you can do it all at once. As you can see, there are plenty of fibers and vitamins within the juice, making it a great choice for our health. Once we finish blending each part, we'll transfer it to a pitcher. To enhance the juice's nutritional value even further, we'll add some vitamin C in the form of lemon juice. Lemon is a great addition to your juice. It provides vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are essential for your body's health. Unfortunately, there is a common misconception that adding lemon to drinks can decrease their vitamin content. However, this is simply not true. In fact, adding lemon to our juice can provide numerous health benefits, such as helping to detoxify the liver, providing a healthy dose of vitamin C, and potentially reducing the risk of certain types of cancer. Plus, it also adds a delicious and tangy flavor to the juice. So without further ado, here's the finished product. A delicious and nutritious juice that I highly recommend you try for yourself. This juice is packed with fibers that are essential for keeping your digestive system running smoothly. Drinking water will help flush out these fibers, preventing constipation. If you have high cholesterol or diabetes, you can drink up to 3 glasses of this juice a day, 1 in the morning, 1 at night, and 1 during the day. But for people with diabetes, it's best to limit the consumption to only 2 glasses a day, as the juice contains only a small amount of sugar from the carrots. So consult with your doctor before making any significant changes to your diet or exercise routine. Always stay hydrated and exercise regularly. And remember, eat plenty of fruits and vegetables to maintain a healthy lifestyle. This juice recipe is an excellent way to start your day. It is packed full of the essential nutrients and vitamins that your body needs to function optimally, as well as a variety of other benefits that will leave you feeling refreshed and energetic. In conclusion, a healthy diet is crucial for managing diabetes and high cholesterol levels. Incorporating vegetables and fruits, such as the ones used in this juice recipe, can provide essential nutrients and benefits to our bodies. Remember to consult with your healthcare provider before making any changes to your diet or lifestyle. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes and tips.